Okay, today we're going to talk about arithmetic sequence. Now, arithmetic sequence is a set of things, uh, numbers or terms that are in order, okay? And like they are going on the same increment every time, okay? Now, let's say we have arithmetic sequence. The difference between one term and the next one will be a constant, will be a number. And then we can write an arithmetic sequence with the rule or the formula a sub n equals a sub 1, which is the first term, plus d, which d is the common distance or the difference between the two terms or between any two consecutive terms, times the n minus 1. Okay, so let's see some examples and then you will see it. Example number 1, we have this sequence 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on until infinity because it's a sequence. Now, first we need to find the difference. What is the common difference or the distance between one term and the other one? What is the difference or the distance between 2 and 4? Will be 2. Will be the distance between 4 and 6 will be 2. And between 6 and 8 will be 2. So my common distance or common difference will be 2. Now, what is a sub 1? What is the first term? Is 2. So if I want to write a rule a sub n equals a sub 1 plus d times n minus 1, using the distance and the first term, we can write it. So a sub n equals the first term, which in this case is 2, plus the distance, which in this case is the same, which is 2 also, times n minus 1. So I just remove the parentheses using distributive property, 2 times n and 2 times negative 1. So I'm going to have 2 plus 2n minus 2. And then combine like terms. And then my final answer or my formula or rule for this sequence will be a sub n equals 2 times n. So any number that I want to find multiplied by 2 will give me the term. Okay, let's see another example. We got this sequence 15, 12, 9, and 6. What is the common difference between these two numbers? Negative 3. What is the common difference between these two numbers? Negative 3. What is the common difference between these two numbers? Negative 3. So my common or difference or will be in this case negative 3. My first term in this case is 15. So if I want to write a rule or a formula for this one, a sub n equals the first term, which is 15, plus the common distance, which is negative 3, times n minus 1. Okay, let's get rid of the parentheses, multiply, so we can simplify. A sub n will be 15. Negative 3 times n will be negative 3n, and negative 3 times negative 1 will be positive 3. Combine like terms, 15 plus 3 will be 18 minus 3n, and this one will be my general rule for this sequence. Okay.